made it to the shower room, and after some drama, they have finally made it to shower. I had to sacrifice myself by doing like a 2-minute shower so that they could use my bathroom while I figure out how to open their bathroom shower, which is quite epic. But we took a shower after one day. I'm not showing anyone but my ugly face. But we're quite fortunate to have hot water here, so hopefully we're not that fortunate in the next few places so that we can all be smelly together. But I think they're coming up now, so I should end. Bye.
Whoa! And now we're preparing to sleep while trying to block all these things in our...
I started to decide.
Now it's bedtime and we've tried to make this place look cozy. Pride is the word.
The truth is it's in a mess.
This is what happens on the other side, and this is what happens when you try and self-contain yourself with 3 girls who forgot to pack light. But yes, she's always on the upper deck because she gets privacy.
Hi.
And if you can squeeze in there. And at the lower deck is me and Kelly. And I think luckily today we didn't cook at the back, so
Yes.
this is really distracting.
I know.
We didn't cook at the back, so we could actually do these kind of things instead of a charging station. And we've been pampering ourselves by getting a holiday pub and powered sites.
Yes.
But maybe we should try and, I don't know, try something new in the next 14 days.
We shall see tomorrow if we can survive.
Yeah, I think it's quite warm here, but I have to turn on the heater because these two
It's getting cold.
will become suckling pigs. No.
Suckling
I will become the suckling pig while they become a popsicle. No. I will become a suckling pig if the heater is on, but they will become...
Popsicles, yeah.
But if the heater is on, you will become popsicle, right?
True. We will just be normal.
They'll just be normal, but I'll become a suckling pig. So, to compromise, I tried to heat up the camper van before, but I think I'm gonna turn it off. I did put in hot air into her blanket just now. So see, I pamper them so much.
Mama.
But now it's time to go to bed. We were meant to be planning things for tomorrow and budgeting.
I know, right?
We are now automatically preparing for bed. It's kind of weird, but it's also 1:20 in the morning.
We need to check out at 10.
I need to wake up and cook breakfast for them. It rhymes.
I'm kind of hungry now, shit.
That's what I was saying just now. I was kind of hungry. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna turn off the heater. I'm gonna put on my face mask and we're going to bed. Right? Good night. Lights off. Now. Morning. 8:20. It feels very early, but it's not. It's not that early. It's 8:20, and look at the beautiful view of the lake. I just took out some camping chairs to air all these smelly things from yesterday. So hopefully the nice fresh New Zealand air will take away the smell. The middle child is still sleeping. Me and the mugmaid are going to wash up and make breakfast. It's 4 in Singapore, gosh, 6 in Australia. I don't know how many time zones I've been through in the last 1 month. But I've been, what is it? GMT plus 12 here? Oh, plus 12 here, and 1 week ago I was living in... No, 1 week ago. God. 1 week ago I was living in GMT 9:30. It's plus 9:30. It was the weirdest time zone ever. But now I have the kitchen and the living area. So that's the kitchen, and I have put our toothbrush inside there. Okay. So I took some bread over and the butter. I was planning on making avocado and toast, and for Zoe, banana on toast with condensed milk. Let's go brush our teeth. I really need to go to the bathroom. But look, they have pots and pans for us, you know. Very good amenities, and there's free food, which we are not at that stage yet, so no. I've got to mention that I'm still in shorts because number one, I was too lazy to take out my jeans, and number two, my thermal is still drying. But it doesn't feel too bad, although it's 4 degrees. Look at the view! The lake. Kelly's missing out. 早起的鸟儿有虫儿吃。We're still waiting for Burnley. But while waiting for Burnley, cheers to our homemade Milo. Going for a short walk. We're now at Mount Cook National Park. And it just looks... it looks phenomenal. We're going for the Bowen Bush walk. The battery's dying, so I should end it off here by saying we're going for the Bowen Bush walk. It's a 10-minute round trip and there's a surround soundscape of something. So hopefully this will be fun. Wow, the stairs. Time to climb the stairs. Ready? Bye. After 10 minutes walk around like this with Teddy hanging. Let's go. Back to the camper. Let's go upstairs with Wefie. And the battery's running out, so we'll be going off soon. We'll see you at that village. That's us with tea, I guess. Okay, bye. Hello. We are back and back in the car, and we're now going to Twizel. I finally found the name of the place, Twizel, for lunch at the rest stop. And yes, she's driving and I'm in the passenger seat. So it's at the back. for lunch, but they wanted to take a picture, so here we are. Okay. So we stopped at some random lookout. To look at the lakes. I think people usually chase waterfalls on trips, right? But we kind of have been chasing lakes. But the funny thing is, right, we're not actually chasing lake. We're just driving around the edge of the same lake, because this is still the lake that we saw on our first actual day in New Zealand. So it's actually Lake Pukaki. I can't even pronounce that correctly. I think I'm butchering it, but I think this is Lake Pukaki and we're on the Mount Cook side of it. Yeah.
The same lake.
It's an incredibly big lake, which is kind of cool. It's nice and blue in the sunlight. So now we're braving the cold. When I say we, it's more of me, because I'm in a t-shirt and just a flannel shirt. And then you have one very busy duckling there. Who just wants to take a picture of everything. So yes.
This is really super cool. But it's really what she said. The same lake. Have a look. Say hi! We're supposed to be stopping at a rest stop for lunch. But we're making a pit stop. Our pit stop usually lasts super long. Right. The weather's not bad today. It's windy. But without the wind, it's quite nice actually.
Burdenly.
Have a disgusting thing.
Look at Burdenly. Don't be like Burden.
Hashtag Budderly. And the Wefie's done. Don't mind my messy hair. I can't believe I'm doing this.
Burdenly. Look at Burdenly.
Budderly
Is taking selfie, so
we shall.
Ko Ying is gonna walk off.
Budderly wants another Wefie. So, I believe there's no more pit stops after this.
So on the menu for lunch today is Bak Kut Teh soup, but the pork ribs have been marinated already, so I'm gonna start frying it. So the problem is we only have one pot and one soup. And we need to eat rice, right?
Yeah, and then the stove is like super small.
So unless we just want to have Bak Kut Teh base with noodles.
Oh, that sounds good as well.
Okay. So we've concluded tonight. Today's lunch menu is Bak Kut Teh soup base with noodles, mushroom, and we're gonna stir fry pork ribs. So
Excited. Where's this place?
Rest stop in Weasel beside the lake.
Another lake. So we are doing our lunch, or more like she's doing our lunch. We are just waiting. Or maybe I should cut and then post.
You want a knife? Lunchtime. Current time is 3:30. nevertheless.